architectural designer, art, nature, architecture. Hello everyone. You want to use Rhino but don't know where to start? Or perhaps you're watching YouTube tutorials but struggling to follow along? If so, this series is perfect for you. With a step-by-step approach, you'll be able to easily create the 3D models you desire. You'll first learn how to use Rhino and then explore other plugins like Grasshopper and Ladybug for more advanced modeling. If you're ready, let's dive in. Welcome to our first lesson, where we'll start by exploring the interface of Rhino. When you first open the program, you'll find the main menu bar at the top. This area consists of a text-based menu. Below, you'll find almost everything that can be accessed as buttons, presented in written form. For example, to draw a box, you need to use a button located below. If you can't locate that button, you can find it under the Solid option by indicating that you want to draw a solid shape. One of the most important things to note in this menu bar is the Options section under the Tools menu. Clicking on the Options opens up the settings of the program. We won't be using this at the moment, but it's important to be aware of its presence. Moving on, below the menu bar, you'll find the command bar. Rhino is a program where you can use commands by typing them, and it also provides information on what it's doing. As you can see, it says, Command Options. This indicates that it just activated the Options bar. And instead of searching for this command in the menu, you can run it by typing Options in the Command panel and hitting Enter. So, don't forget that you can run a command by typing it, even if you can't locate it in the menu. Even if you don't remember the complete name of a command, typing the first two letters will present you with options. This allows you to choose and execute the command. At the bottom, you'll find the standard toolbar with a tabbed structure. Please don't assume it's named Standard solely due to the name here. In the Standard toolbar's Standard tab, you'll find the buttons you see here. Typically, these involve tasks related to project management. Commands like New, Open, and Save are present.
These were also available under the File menu.
Continuing, there are commands you can use to manage your viewpoint. There are commands that affect how objects appear, and there are commands and buttons related to scene management. Here's the Select tab. It offers you various options related to selection. Earlier, we mentioned drawing a box. When you enter Solid Tools, it provides you with many options. Did you notice that your selections change the menus on the left? I'll explain that in a moment. Let's return to the Standard tab again. We'll mainly be working in the Standard tab. I mentioned the Select tab earlier. Under the Standard section, there's also the Select section. If you expand this, you can access the selection-related tabs from here too. Buttons with this small arrow offer you alternative options. However, instead of clicking that small arrow, clicking this area activates the command. You can perform two actions here. Talking about this is enough for now. On the right side, there's the Properties section. This menu is where you can view object properties. It includes various tabs like Properties, Layers, and even a tab for Materials. When you open Rhino with a default setup, the Help page is also visible here. You might prefer using the Properties section over the Help page. In the center, there are windows that display the space you're working in. When you draw a box, you can see that object from 4 different perspectives. In the perspective view, you can't determine if the corner in the background is flat or not. For that, you can use other viewpoints to see it. Remember that you're working in a single space, and the windows offering different viewpoints are called viewports. Let's clear this. On the left side, you'll find the Sidebar, which contains fundamental constructs. You can use it to draw something new or edit an existing drawing. Commands like surface creation and solid object creation are available here. At the bottom, there are views. Below that, there are snap points like end and mid. To sum up, above is the test-based main menu, below is the command panel, the standard bar, and the sidebar. On the right is properties, and in the center is viewport. So, we've generally located these elements in the interface. In the next lesson, we'll make a simple introduction to customizing the interface. Inspire design with your style.